Hey, what's happening, Stinger Heads? How you doing? How you been?
What's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, you already know, going to smash that thumbs up. You know what we're trying to do. In this video, we got that what? That weekly heat, baby.
Yes,
That
sir.
weekly heat. So these are the hottest shoes that are coming out from February the 2nd to February 8th. I'm going to go ahead and start it off. So this is a strange week right here because I don't know why. It seems like all the hottest shoes are coming on the same day.
Right.
So starting off on February the 8th, we do have a Air Diamond Turf. This is the black and gold. As you know, the 49 edition just came out, and those seem like they sold out and did well. This is the black pair. This supposedly when Deion Sanders first signed back in 1989. Predominantly, the shoe is all black. It does feature some gold hits on the side, as you see that netting. As you look at the bottom of the shoe, it's black as well. Moving on to the medial side, we see that gold netting on the inside of, looking at the top down of the toe box, we do see that Nike swoosh in gold, and it does have some writing. It looks like the stock liner does say Deion Sanders in cursive. Looking at the back, it says, "You gotta believe." It looks like that's embroidered on the back. I do like that hit of gold, as well as right below that, we do see that Nike swoosh. This is overall a clean Nike Turf shoe. If you like these Air Diamond Turfs, let me know down in the comments. Did you cop the first pair? And do you have any more in your collection? I think this is an overall clean shoe for the wintertime. And if you do like these retro turf shoes, that's for me. I will be rocking these. How about you, my brother? What do you think about these?
Hey, it's perfect. It's a perfect fit with the winter months. I agree with you with it being a very clean. Hey, I will be rocking those as well. I will be rocking those as well. Hey, drop us a comment down below if you rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir. What we got next, my brother?
So on February the 8th, we do have a family pair dropping. This is the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic re-imaged. This is a family pair, like I mentioned. Price point for those men's are going for 210. Grade school is going for 160. Little kids, aka babies, going for 90s, and infant and toddlers is going for 75. Right? Overall, this is a clean shoe. I like what they did. They really just kept the shoe the same. Only thing that they really did different with it to me, the laces. Come on, Jordan Brand. I mean, white laces, really, really. I mean, the shoe stands out with the white laces, but I really don't understand where Jordan Brand going with just a solid color laces. Hey, incorporate two colors with their laces. You know, I don't understand where Jordan Brand's going with their laces. Like about the J's too, I love what they did with the tongue, that 3M tongue. I really how they kept that the same. I like how they kept the shark teeth, you know, the same. With there's a nice clean shoe for the winter. If I did cop this shoe, first thing I'm gonna do is change the laces out the gate. Right? I like how they put that fire red, you know, on the tongue. You know, overall, this is a nice, clean shoe. Just switch those laces. Hey, you really have you a nice shoe. All right. But drop us a comment down below if you're rocking those or dropping those. But I will be rocking those. I will be rocking those. What about you, my brother?
I will be rocking these as well. This is a classic colorway. A brief history of the Jordan 5 Metallic. These came out in 1990 when Michael Jordan wore these shoes during the 1990 All-Star Game, designed by Tinker Hatfield. The Air Jordan 5 was inspired by fighter planes from World War II, specifically the P-51 Mustang fighter jet. This is the most notable detail feature on the Jordan 5. Notable detail of the Jordan 5 was the oversized tongue covering in reflective silver paneling. So that is pretty much, like my brother said, the two biggest differences, because this is a reimagined. So they swapped out the black laces for white, and then along the edge of the leather, they added a white color, so make it shoe pop out a little bit more. And just so you'll know, this is the sixth re-image shoe that Jordan Brand is releasing. Believe it or not, the patent of the Jordan 1 Breads were the first re-image sneaker to drop. A lot of people think it was the Lost and Founds. However, that's not true. So moving on to the all these shoes are coming out on February the 8th. And the reason why we're highlighting this, because we have had people ask me about this shoe. On February 8th, we have the Puma MB.04. It's going to be the Raphael and Donatello pair. This does come at a price point of $135. The other pair will be releasing at a later time and date, so stay tuned for that. So this shoe predominantly features green on the toe boxes of each of these shoes. However, the back portions of the shoe is two different colors. The left shoe is done in purple and the right shoe is done in red. This is just a play on the Mutant Ninja Turtles. I do like this design and colorway. I think if you're a kid and you play basketball, Melo Ball has been doing a great job with this design. I think a lot of people are inspired by his design team, what they're doing. And I think for only $115 for little kids, that's not a bad price for a basketball shoe. Men's pairs will be $135. But again, these drop on February the 8th at 10 p.m. on the Puma website, and that's puma.com. So be ready on Saturday, February the 8th, and wish you the best of luck. I am rocking these because, again, he's doing something different, and this is considered a collaboration for his shoes. What do you think about these, my brother?
You know what? I'm really liking this shoe. I like how they incorporated that. What is it, lime green and purple?
Yes,
right?
sir.
I like how they incorporated that. And then it looked like on the front half of the shoe, looked like maybe a spider web or something down that line. But I really like that. I like how they incorporated the green. Hey, with Ninja Turtles, Frog being green. So nice work there. And saying all that, my brother, I will be rocking those. Drop us a comment down below if y'all rocking those or dropping those.
Yes, sir.
Hey, and if you guys continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said, for sure, when you're blessed,
hey, bless others.
peace.
Peace.